Okay guys, we are here at the other side of the loop, um, and there's a lot more stores over here, and the sun is finally coming out, and we're gonna show you a couple of stores like Books a Million and whatever's in the way. Oh, and there's a cool restaurant over there called BJ's. We get all American food, and there's a Mexican restaurant over there. And this tropical cafe over there for some good smoothies and chicken wraps. And we also have a Sketcher on that side. So, where do you think we should go first?
Books a Million.
Books a Million?
Books a Million.
You want to shop at Books a Million?
Yeah, manga.
Mangas? Okay, let's take a look at the Books a Million first. Let's begin.
Just walk around and
Walk around?
If we end there, we end there.
Okay, let's do it. We're gonna walk towards Books a Million. That's what the family decided to do. Let's go. Have a nice gazebo here. You could just park your car and sit there, enjoy a cup of coffee or something to drink with your snack. See, you park your car right there, or you could just go to the restaurant and wait for your table.
Restaurant.
Yeah,
We have not gone in there.
yeah. Oh look, we have a cool water fountain right here. Also for more chilling. Bring a girl on a date, right son? Right.
Sit down. Refreshing. I love how that smells.
It's so refreshing here now with this nice breeze. What was that?
It's meant for a date, literally built for that.
I know, right? Like, look, you have a bench right here. You have the movie theater over there, and then you come out here. You're like, hey, how you doing? Our son is growing. Let's go. See, we got more seating area over here. This is a nice chilling spot over here. This is right on Kissimmee. Look at that. More chilling. To sit here, have a nice date, good outing with your wife or your family. You know, like, look, it's a lot of shopping malls over here. Burlington is over here, Rue 21, etc. And there's also restaurants for your little snacks. So our mission for today is go to the manga store, Books a Million, and get a manga. That's Ray 21. Cool hip stuff in there. Oh, I sense some drizzling. Uh-oh. Shopping mall there. The cooler side of the loop? There's Manchi's yogurt, frozen yogurt. Got Tommy Hilfiger.
Eu passei 15.000, só não converti ainda. Todo aqui agora. Olha esse vestido aqui, olha ali.
Ah, look, we made it to Books a Million right there. You found your store. Books a Million.
You want a Dragon Ball?
No.
I'll get you one.
Open the door for the fam, son.
If it's cheap.
Smells like coffee here. Oh look, this looked like encyclopedias. This is an encyclopedia used to look like.
What is it?
It was like the internet
old,
back
man.
then. Look. What is this? It's a mask. Oogie Boogie. Oogie Boogie. Jack. Cool. Mark here. At the Marvel section. Oh look. Miles Morales pineapples. I would get this. This is cool. I like this. Nice if you like Thor. A low-key mug. Cool. Oops. For Prince. Willie Nelson. Masters of He-Man? He-Man.
You want this?
This what you want?
Wait, you want it?
I'm not a big fan of reading manga.
You can put
so
it on your shelf.
I like.
You can look at the cover and
It's
be
okay.
like,
Thank you, son. Oh look!
"You suck."
Buy this. This is what I want you to get.
Why do you like Dr. Stone so
He's
much,
so cool.
man? It's so whack.
Look at that cover.
Oh my god.
So cool.
You're gonna get so bored of it. Oh, we got Fire Force.
Look at all these cool mangas.
$20 already.
I never heard of this guy before. Go Loser Ranger. Oh, Loser Ranger.
You don't got Baki?
Keep looking. Oh, check out these cool backpacks. I like this one. Ooh, this is even cool. Cooler. Whoa, dog. Oh, look at this creepy looking creature. Wait, where did the wife go? I don't seem to find my wife. I lost my wife. Let's find her. Where can she be? But first, look at this Batmobile. Cool. Yeah, let's continue looking for the wife. Where did she go? And where's my baby? Babe? I lost the wife. Oh, there she is. I was looking for you.
Oh.
You disappeared. What are you reading? What are you looking for? What is this? Are you serious? It's okay. Hey, baby. Are you reading too?
I can't see.
Ah, what are you looking for?
Teeth.
Yeah? Oh. Okay, I'm gonna be exploring over there. Your son is looking for more mangas.
Oh my god.
He has like 1,000 of them already. Oh, look at this. It's the shredder with 4 hands. That's new. It's the old classic Superman. How much is this? $32.99. You find what you need?
I got One Punch Man, I got Chainsaw Man, and I got Dr. Stone.
You good with that?
Yeah, I'm trying to find Baki though.
Baki? They don't have Baki?
I got Baki.
No, they don't have Baki.
I got Jujutsu Kaisen. I already got one.
Hmm. You don't want one of these action figures? You're not a DC fan?
No.
You know who that is?
Joker?
Yeah, from where?
DC? I don't know.
Multiverse.
Multiverse?
It's right there,
I
literally.
only know Laughing Batman.
The laughing Batman, that's the laughing Joker. Look at that. Minecraft still got it. Cool toys. Oh, this is the girly section. Maybe I should buy something for my baby girl. I think she'll like this. Let's see if she likes this. I know she would like that. You like it, baby? Okay.
You okay? Do you have a membership with us? I am letting you know that if you were interested in getting a membership today, usually it's like $25. Usually it's like $25, but with your purchases today, I can actually knock it down to $5 for you. Get it for $20, and then you get all the rewards that come along with it, like the $10 gift card. You get 10% off of everything in our store, free shipping.
Should I do it?